Good morning, guys. Welcome back to Tomorrowaday Farms. Today we are going to work on my part of the collaboration, A Very Merry Homesteady Christmas. This is one of our favorite side dishes of all time. It's simple. You can make it ahead. You can freeze it. It's like, they're amazing. And I'm going to tell you what it is. It's a mashed potatoes. This is a family recipe, and I thought I'd share that with you this year. I'm going to show you how crispy and amazing they cook up. I'm going to make them for supper tonight, and then I'm going to freeze some for Christmas as well. So I'm going to get two things done all at one time, and I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to do it. So I'm just going to pause you, spin you around. I already got the potatoes cooked. I mean, you guys know how to cook potatoes, right? So I'm just going to show you what we're going to put in them. I'll be right back. Alright guys, so here's just my potatoes. So we always called these Christmas potatoes, okay? But you can use a hand mixer if you want. This is about 5 pounds of potatoes, roughly. I'm just going to mash these up. You're going to need, for 5 pounds of potatoes, you're going to need 2 blocks of cream cheese and a full tub of sour cream and a half a cup roughly of butter. Okay, like I said, if you want to use your mixer or your hand mixer, you go right ahead. Okay, but I am gonna cook these up for you because I want to show you how brown and crispy they get. And I do these every year. When I was a kid, we only got these once a year. My family's a little luckier. If I have a little bit of cream cheese kicking around in the fridge, I make them for them. And the leftovers make amazing potato patties. Alright. So, that's good enough for me. Just gonna grab a spoon here, guys. And pepper. So I'm going to start with the pepper, and then we're going to start adding in these ingredients. So I have a Ziploc bag, marked potatoes for Christmas. I'm going to grab my salt, because you guys all know potatoes love salt. So we'll be tasting this later. If my cream cheese looks a little funky, I freeze cream cheese when it goes on for $1, and then I should have taken it out last night, and I actually forgot. So it's not as nice as it normally is, but it tastes good. It's fine. Just gonna grab my. The reason we only ever had these once a year is because, well, my mom said we didn't need the extra calories through the year. And my mom worked, so she would make these potatoes, put them in the casserole dish, and actually put them right in the freezer. So, like, how much better can you get with that, right? Alright, so now we're going to add the butter. I'm just going to grab a knife here, guys. These are so rich. My father-in-law used to call these the temp potatoes. Always made him mashed potatoes because my mother-in-law didn't like making mashed potatoes. I've heard them called the twice-baked mashed potatoes, but they put cream in theirs, but this is how Mom used to do it. And this has been a staple on our table my entire life. So I'm going to share it with you guys now. So now I'm going to start adding the sour cream. And I'm going to link the collaboration up in an iCard. I'm going to everything will be down in the description box, okay? I'm going to add some more sour cream. Should have opened it before. Sorry, guys. Alright. And I only use the full fat sour cream because it's Christmas. There we go. Whole lot of calories in this pot. Whole lot. But the thing about these mashed potatoes, you don't need a lot of them. So they actually go pretty far. You can even, on Christmas Day, reheat these and put them in a crock pot. And they will be beautiful as well. Definitely needs some more pepper. And then we'll taste it for salt. Like Cody just goes crazy for these mashed potatoes. I'm going to get out a spoon here. We're going to check for salt. Definitely salt. And I'm going to drop my knife in my casserole dish. Alright. Just going to combine this, guys. I'm going to clean up my mess. And then I'm going to bring you back. And we will fill up everything. Alright, guys. So I have just my standard casserole dish. This is for tonight. I have sprayed it. And I am going to cook a little bit extra because we have been wanting some potato patties. And then we're going to put the rest in a container and pop them in the freezer. And then my mashed potatoes are now done for Christmas. Just like that. That should be plenty for us. Going to move this out of the way, guys. And then I just have that one. And I will have to let these cool. I have a Ziploc bag ready, and it just says mashed potatoes for Christmas. By the time you get all those sides done, I have learned I don't need to cook 100 different things. But I do love to cook, so there we go. That should be plenty. I'll just put the rest of that in that casserole dish. Show you guys. I just have a bag here, right? Simple, easy. I am going to let these cool, and then I will pop them in the freezer, but I will cook the potatoes up so that you can see what they look like when they're all baked up. I bake them at 350 for about an hour. I do put a couple drops of butter on the top when I go to bake them, but that's my own personal preference. My mom never did that. But you can, like I said, you can put these in your crock pot a couple hours before, or you can pop them in your oven. You can do whatever you want with them. In the crock pot, they don't turn as crispy. You'll see when I pull them out of the oven, they're nice and crispy and look really good. And Cody will clean out this pot. I don't need to worry about that. So, just like so. Alright. And it didn't say they were healthy. I don't think I've made anything healthy for this collaboration yet. Maybe I should get on that, eh? Alright. These are just all our family favorites. And now I get to share them all with you. Alright guys, I am going to just put some butter on top of this. And it's only 1 o'clock here, so we're not going to be eating for a few hours. So I will bring you back when I'm popping them out of the oven. Alright guys, here's the potatoes. So I'm just going to get Cody a big plate here because I know he'll eat tons of these. There we go. So you guys can really see them. They bake up twice really, really good. Alright guys, if you like this recipe, please give me a big thumbs up. And I will see you guys super soon with another video for this collaboration. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.